I wanted to give you a live update of what is happening in the market and all around the world. Okay, so markets have been very volatile. Markets since yesterday, you might have saw after we had a live session, we saw huge volatility in Indian markets also. Yesterday, markets opened more than almost 2% lower, and from there it kept on going lower. Okay, and at the end of the day, there was a little bit recovery. Yesterday, actually, the market went down below 15,700, and probably someone stepped in below 15,700. 15,700 has been the support for a very, very long time. So let me share the screen, and then you'll be able to see what I'm trying to explain to you. And apart from that, there has been extreme volatility, and it has been. I'm pretty sure for many of the traders, it has been very very difficult to manage this volatility. So I'll share you the screen, then we can take it forward from there. Okay, I hope you all are able to. Okay, so here you can see the screen. Okay, fine. So this is yesterday's Nifty chart, and you can see we had a session around this time, and I said, Nifty, if it falls below 15,700, there might be even more selling coming in, and that is what it happened. It actually went below 15,700 for a very little time, and then again someone stepped in, and there was a buying. There was a recovery of 100 points, but overnight, what happened? Overnight, again, US markets, they opened very lower. They closed at with one of the biggest sell-off of this year, one of the worst performing markets intraday. That much it sold. Okay, so it's US markets में कि it is one of worst performance. Okay, तो उसके हिसाब से what we did yesterday was, wait, I'll show you. Okay, so yesterday at the close of Indian market, I bought a bit of put options. But what happened today was, again markets opened higher, and we had to book a little loss in put options. And then there was again buying, so we bought call options and recovered those losses. But now again, market is showing negativity. फिर वहां से घूम के फिर से सेलिंग आ रहा है. So it went to from low point of again similar low point of yesterday's 15,670. It again bounced back and it went to 15,850. So almost 200 points from lower point, and again now it has lost almost 90 points. So we have bought put options again. Though we are trading in low volume now, I can actually increase it later on. लेकिन वॉलेटिलिटी इतनी ज्यादा है कि मैनेजिंग वॉलेटिलिटी itself is one of the biggest issue we are facing right now. Okay, so the obvious request to the traders is कि ना अपना ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम कम रखो इस टाइम पे, क्योंकि वॉलेटिलिटी इतनी ज्यादा है कि आपको मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Okay, so I can say with pretty much confidence that people all around, many traders all around India, all around the world, right now might be facing a lot of volatility and lot of losses also because of this volatility. Now, in the global market scenario also, कल it's 2% से भी ज़्यादा नीचे आ गए यूरोपियन मार्केट्स, and now they are trading in positive. US futures is also positive. तो जो इवेंट है कल का 15th रिजर्व का मीटिंग है, वो मीटिंग में डेफिनेटली जो डिसीजन आएगा उसके लिए हमें करना चाहिए और उसके बाद में अपना वॉल्यूम जो है वो बढ़ाना चाहिए। उसके पहले किसी को ज्यादा रिस्क लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, छोटे छोटे वॉल्यूम्स पे आपको काम करना है। And since I am trading in low volumes, I am able to manage and recover even if there is any negative position. I am able to recover. Okay, so that is going to be my advice. That for the next few days, or at least for the next 2 days, in Indian markets or wherever you're trading volume should be very all already almost all of the asset. This is going on, this correction, and this is going on. Even if you look at cryptocurrency market has also suffered a huge loss. मतलब वहां इतना ज्यादा है कि शायद ये डैमेज रिकवर करने के लिए पिछले 7 दिनों में इथेरियम 30% से भी डाउन है, 25% डाउन बिटकॉइन है, अभी थोड़ा रिकवरी आया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे भी इतना डैमेज है कि ये डैमेज रिकवर होने के लिए ही शायद क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट को 2 साल जा सकते हैं। ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल इन डूइंग ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग इन सच काइंड ऑफ मार्केट कंडीशंस। ओके, even if you're doing, you should do in lower volumes. Okay, now what do I predict might happen? अभी क्या हुआ है कि फेडरल रिजर्व ने इतना इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ा के, आरबीआई ने भी इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ा के वो जो इन्फ्लेशन है वो कंट्रोल में नहीं आया है, जो महंगाई है वो कंट्रोल में नहीं आई है, इसलिए फियर है कि फेडरल रिजर्व और इंटरेस्ट रेट्स बढ़ा सकता है। तो कल रात को 11:30-12 Federal Reserve comes out with its decision, and accordingly on day after tomorrow Indian markets also will react, either open gap up or gap down. तो उस टाइम पे हमें अलग ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी यूज करके, उसको बोला जाता है स्ट्रैडल, वो यूज करके हमें ट्रेड करना चाहिए। दैट मीन्स either buying one nifty put option and a call option of different strike prices or same strike prices, or selling nifty put option or call option of same strike price or different strike price। कल हम उसके ऊपर कल अलग से डिस्कशन करेंगे, लेकिन वो स्ट्रेटेजी अगर यूज किया तो बहुत सेफली एक थोड़ा बहुत तो प्रॉफिट हम कमा सकते हैं। नेकेड पोजीशन हमें लेना ही नहीं है क्योंकि उससे लॉसेस और ज्यादा होंगे। ओके, सो नाउ दिस put time, now it is giving a little bit of profit. I bought it at 273 and now it is showing, now it has gone to 300 now. Now I am going to add position to this. I have added 500 more, and I can actually take 2000 3000 quantity, but I want to avoid taking big risk at this stage, and I am going to take only smaller risks. Here now it is coming down, so when I feel that this correction is going to come to an end, I will go ahead and I'll book the profit here. But I feel this selling might remain for a while and we can actually hold the position. Yes. So here you can see, so it is increasing put option price. As such, buying of options is a very risky trade, but you should buy options only when you see a good amount of strong trend coming, either upward or touch. यहाँ पे सुबह हमें लॉस हुआ जब हम पुट होल्ड करके थे, यहाँ पे अपमूव है, वहां से हमने बाय करके उसको रिकवर किया और अभी नीचे नीचे की तरफ मार्केट मूव कर रहा है. The reason could be there is a selling in European markets also. अभी यूरोपियन मार्केट्स दिन के लो पॉइंट पे आप ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, इसलिए अपने यहाँ सेलिंग आ सकता है. बट सिंस द मार्केट इज वेरी वेरी वोलेटाइल, यू विल हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल और आपको टाइम टू टाइम प्रॉफिट्स लेना चाहिए. ओके, सो let's see what happens now, and I will book the profit in the next few minutes. ये पूरा साल वोलेटाइल ही रहने वाला है. यू विल हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी विजिलेंट एंड वेरी वेरी केयरफुल, एंड यू विल हैव टू कीप ऑन बुकिंग प्रॉफिट. आपको आपको है ना कोई भी डिसीजन सिर्फ अंदाजे पे नहीं लेना चाहिए. यू विल हैव टू मेक अ वेरी गुड स्टडी. You should not blindly trade, or you should not just close your eyes and take a trade or take a bet and hope that it will make a profit. You will have to be very careful, and आपको time to time आपको book करना पड़ेगा. So at this point, I feel market is showing a little bit of recovery. Another point you might have noticed that position I had only 500, and that even at higher price I added 500 more quantity. So the reason for that is you should never ever average your loss making trade, but you can actually increase your holding or increase your quantity in a profit making trade. Because जब वो profit हो रहा होता है, so you know that the trend is in your favor right now. Okay, so for that reason I made addition in the profit making trade. But now when I see trend here, I will go ahead and book my profit, because I believe that I should avoid these volatile movements, and I should book my profits from time to time. Okay, so this how you should be very vigilant nowadays. ये थोड़े महीनों के लिए आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा विजिलेंट रहना पड़ेगा. Now because there is a huge moment in the market, you are able to make this options buying trade. लेकिन थोड़े पॉइंट के बाद क्या होगा कि आपको है ना ज्यादा ट्रेड नहीं कर पाओगे, आप ज्यादा ऑप्शन बाइंग नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि उतना ज्यादा ट्रेड्स नहीं आएंगे आपके पास. ओके, क्योंकि पॉइंट वाइज मूवमेंट धीरे धीरे कम होगा. यू शुड लुक एट इंडिया विक्स. जब इंडिया विक्स बढ़ता है तो पॉइंट वाइज मूवमेंट आपको ज्यादा मिलती है. अभी 22 है, लेकिन यूएस में ये 33 है, विच इज एट द हाई पॉइंट. जब वो 30 के आसपास जाता है यूएस विक्स, करेक्शन रहता है, डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट इन द मार्केट रहता है, वो खत्म होने तक आ जाता है. सो probably in next 2 days the correction will stop and market might take another move on the upside. Okay, वैसे आई फील कि बहुत ज्यादा ऑप्शन ऑलरेडी मार्केट में आ चुका है. बहुत से अच्छे जो स्टॉक है वो काफी नीचे के पॉइंट्स पे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि नौकरी. सो नौकरी, इफ यू गो इन वन डे चार्ट, you might see that its highest point was 7,300, and now it is at 3,500. So it has lost more than half of its value. Okay, so this is a very good stock, and slowly people can start buying this thing. Then IRCTC, I had shown you yesterday, it has also corrected more than 50% now. Then people should avoid Adani groups, though उसमें भी अच्छा खासा करेक्शन आ गया है, but still I feel there is even more correction left in it. And then you have good companies like Dixon. Dixon is an electronic manufacturing company. It has a very good clients like Samsung, LG, and all those big companies. So it has a manufacturing hub of TVs, mobile phones, and all electronic equipments in India. So it's a good company. ये भी अपने high point 6,200 से 3,400 को आ गया है. I am going to start buying into Dixon slowly, because और भी ज्यादा करेक्शन आ सकता है इस साल, क्योंकि अभी ये इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ने के कारण जो मार्केट्स रहते हैं वो करेक्शन मोड में चले जाते हैं. So I feel more correction might come, but I will be holding this company for long term. Okay. Then let's take a look at Power India. No, there is not a huge correction in this. Bata, yeah, Bata is also a very good consumption company. ये भी एक पॉइंट पे नीचे आके वहां से बाउंस लेता है, जैसे कि निफ्टी. लेट्स लुक एट द चार्ट ऑफ निफ्टी, वन डे चार्ट. नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड. इफ अगर यहाँ से बाउंस आया तो ये थर्ड टाइम होगा. दिस विल बी द थर्ड टाइम दैट इट हैज टेकन सपोर्ट हियर, एंड इट इज लुकिंग लाइक इट इज टेकिंग सपोर्ट अराउंड 15,700. Like yesterday also I said, if convincingly 15,700 is broken, then only Nifty will go to 15,500. So यहाँ से हमेशा ट्रेडर्स ट्राई करेंगे कि यहाँ से बाउंस बाउंस आना चाहिए हमेशा. ओके, तो how do I predict that? You know, it should अगर 15,700 ब्रेक हो गया तो 500 को जाएगा. So there is something called options data which you have to look at it continuously, and weekly expiry होता है, monthly expiry होता है, and you can see the open interest here. So the biggest open interest is right now is around 15,500. बहुत सारे ट्रेडर्स ने 15,500 का पुट ऑप्शन राइट किया है. 15,600, 15,700 के आसपास भी बहुत अच्छा पुट राइटिंग हुआ है. सिमिलरली कॉल साइड में भी बहुत हेवी राइटिंग हुआ है. तो if recovery comes and market convincingly breaks upwards of 15,800, then as per option data it can jump and go to 16,000 within a matter of 2 trading days. But if it breaks 15,700, why 15,700? Because of historical we can see on chart that historically twice 15,700 was broken. Similarly, was not broken, sorry. And similarly, on this side, if you see, when the market was 18,500, that is all-time high, it came down quickly because of all the reasons. It came down to 16,400. At around 16,400, 16,000, at around that point, there was a huge support. Okay, and that was broken after the Russia-Ukraine war started. Okay, and during that days also of Russia-Ukraine war, 15,700 support was taken. And then again last time when Federal Reserve increased its interest rates, again 15,700 support was taken. If the interest rates are increased higher, probably this support might be broken. जैसे कि कल कोई डिसीजन आया कि 0.7 से 0.7% से इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ाया फेडरल रिजर्व ने. This will be broken, and then immediate support might be taken at 15,500. Okay, so that is what my analysis says. And similarly, in the charts also, you can see of many stocks, they are taking support at some points, and if those are broken, then they might go higher, lower. But if that point, if it keeps on moving, then you can add at that point some of the stocks. You can buy them. Okay. Worst performing stocks right now are the IT stocks. आज इतना market recovery आके भी recovery नहीं हुआ. Now you can see the market is going lower. हमने यहाँ पे profit book किया, लेकिन वो और भी नीचे आ गया है. You can see 100 पे में हमने किया था book. Now it has gone to 310. But the main concept here is that you should trade cautiously. Now at this point I can add the position. Okay, but at that point of time, if you feel it is not safe, trend is breaking, then obviously we are selling QR Europe में selling. Yes, Europe is again making of the day. Okay, so this is how you trade cautiously, and I'll be keeping on coming online and telling you what to do and how to trade cautiously during these volatile periods of the market. Okay. So thank you very much, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you keep supporting this channel. Please subscribe to, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to YouTube Finavel channel. We have our Telegram channel also, where we do the live updates, and I hope you learn from this, and you can tell someone else also to join this channel, and I hope they also keep learning. So thank you very much, and let's hope we can we can make an engagement through this through our social media channels. Thank you.